don't we? Alan Nuckman joins me now. Good morning, Alan. Where do you see opportunity? Yeah, where do you see opportunity in this environment right now?
Well, I see a lot of positives. We've had a nice month run in the stock market, a nice bounce from the bottom, whereas the S&P is closing in on being 15% off the low and about 15% off the high after all that we've seen. But what I want to state here is the known knowns. 242 of the S&P 500 companies talked about recession in their earnings call. So whatever you want to call it, or whenever it happens or not, it's more important to see how the markets react. And I think we've already digested a lot of that. And the fact that rates decline, if you look at the futures markets going out to 2024, they're down to 4%. 2025, they're down to 3.5%. So the markets have already digested this, like I said. And today's a great example. Look at what's happening with oil. Oil's down another 4%, below $80 a barrel.
Got to ask you, is that a real background behind you, or is that a monitor?
No, I'm on Lake Superior, so we've got some good snow getting ready for the holiday.
Oh, wow, yeah, that's very spectacular. Looks amazing. All right, Alan, very quickly, we get a lot of people this morning saying they like the banks in this environment. You like the financials?
I think the financials have already had a good bounce. I'm looking for a little bit more beaten down sector. I'm looking to tiptoe into tech. And I think we're seeing possibly the short sellers be done now with some of these big tech names. So from risk reward, one that I like is Intel. Intel is about 50% off its high. The PE is 10. And it's a stock that nobody has loved for a while. So I'm looking at some April options. Being an options trader, I usually do this from the CBOE.
All right, very good. Alan, thank you so much for your input this morning. We do appreciate it. Great stuff. Let's bring Lauren back in. Lauren, you're looking at some of the movers. Let's begin with Digital World Acquisition.
That's
down
the blank,
6%.
Yeah, the blank check company that is looking to take Trump's Truth Social public. It's down, even though Trump said, hey, I'm not returning to Twitter, but many investors are saying, yeah, now that Elon Musk has unblocked you and reinstated you, really? Maybe they don't believe him. All right, take a look at this, Ash. Imago Biosciences doubling in price right now because Merck is buying them for $36 a share. They develop drugs related to bone marrow diseases that are used to treat cancer, and Merck obviously trying to expand its portfolio. Both of those stocks are up. But Las Vegas Sands down. China shutting businesses, shutting schools in districts with high numbers of COVID cases. So when you're shutting down, that's not good for some of the travel stocks and the casinos.
No, not at all. All right, Lauren, thank you very much. Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle are issuing new warnings about TikTok. Listen to this.
I've encouraged every American, if they're using TikTok, to delete it from their phone, and if they